Can I create 100,000 naira a month Telegram bot right here in Nigeria just with my smartphone? I made a video some weeks ago. I told my community members they should comment bot in the comment section, and then I'm going to create a video on how you can also create your own Telegram bot that can help you earn some money. So let's see if this is actually possible, and how can you even create a Telegram bot, and how can you actually monetize this particular bot, especially right here in Nigeria. And the funny part is that I don't have any coding skills. Well, maybe I have a little HTML skills and CSS. That's just for web design. Anyways, if you want to see how this goes, do all to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm actually going to recommend you watch this particular video from the beginning to the end so that you can get any value from the video whatsoever. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Don't forget to join my community right here on YouTube, or if you find this video helpful, click on that thank you button. So I actually found out that there are two different kinds of bots on Telegram. The first one is just a normal regular bot, while the second type of bot is actually a multi-task bot. This is a bot that carries a lot of duty, that does a lot of stuff. You know, those are two different kind of bots, and these two types of bots are not the same. We are going to start from the beginning so that you guys can understand, or complete beginners can understand. So the part one right here, we're going to be creating a normal bot, a normal type of bot, you understand. Then the part two, we are going to be creating the other type of bot that is complex. First thing you need right here is your Telegram app. So download Telegram, install Telegram, and open Telegram. Sign up an account on Telegram. Telegram is a very popular app. You know, just create your account. That's the first thing. Just come down to the search bar on Telegram, and you're going to be searching for BotFather. Based on the name, you're going to know that it's actually like the baba of all the bots, you understand. Okay, so that is what this BotFather actually does. So if you come over to Telegram right here, you're going to see BotFather. Now this particular one right here has a blue tick, so you're going to see the blue tick right here, and this is how you know that this is the BotFather I'm actually talking about. BotFather is the one bot to rule them all, you understand. So it's like the grandfather of all the bots. Once you click on the menu, you're going to see a page like this. If you have any other bot on Telegram, you're going to be seeing the bot right here. You can see I have one bot here. Let me click on create new bot name. So I'm going to give it a name. So let me just give it update bot, about, optional. So I'm going to come here and search for solid update bot. Okay, this is actually available. Solid update bot, this is available, thank God. So I'm just going to click on create. Now once I click on create, now you're going to see that I've created my bot successfully. And what I need to do is for me to copy this particular key, and keep it safe, because if somebody have this key, the person can control your bot, the person can do anything they want to do with your bot. So copy this particular key and keep it safe. Okay, all right. So the next thing right here is for you to actually customize your bot. That's the next thing you have to do. So let's come down here. We are still inside BotFather, so I'm going to click on edit info right here. Now this page will open right here. It says set new picture. So this picture is where you set up your bot profile picture. Let me just scroll and pick a picture for my bot profile. So I'm gonna, okay, I think that is not that bad. Anytime you enter any bot, you always see a welcome message. So if you want to set that, just come over here and click on the welcome message image. All right, so the next thing right here, they say enter description. So you also need to enter a welcome description. Now for me to do this, I need to go over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write me a description. Okay, I want to create a normal regular Telegram bot. I'm editing it inside Telegram. Everything is done inside Telegram. So the bot is called update bot. The username is solid update bot on Telegram. So what I need right now is a description, a welcome description for my bot. Now what I do on this bot is that I share daily updates, and maybe site also updates, daily tips and the rest. That's what I want to share inside this particular bot. So I need a welcome photo and also a short welcome description that can go well with this particular bot. So after that, I'm just going to click on send. So right now ChatGPT is actually trying to generate an image for me. Maybe the image I used was not really that okay, but let's just wait for it to generate this image. And it's also going to generate a description, a short welcome description about the bot, what the bot is actually all about. As you can see, ChatGPT just gave us an image. I mean, this image is not the best too, it's not the best, but let's just go ahead and click on save. And I'm going to come over here and copy the description ChatGPT just gave me right now. Let me just copy this Okay, and let me copy this. Okay, so we are going to come back here very soon. So I'm going to come over here and paste in that particular description. Let me paste it right here, and I'm going to come over here and change the image. Right, I need to replace this picture with this one we just got right here. After that, I'm just going to come over here and click on update. So I just updated my bot. Now it looks more mature and more better with profile pictures and everything, as you can see. All right, if I click on message bot, you can see that this is how my bot actually looks like. And see they say welcome to solid update bot. You can see what can this bot do. It's actually amazing. So let me come over here. You can see everything a bot has. This is a simple bot. So let me click on start bot. I've not linked it to anything, so nothing will show. Understand? So I'm just showing you guys how this will look like in case you decide to create it, but I've not linked this to anything, but this is how it looks like. So once you're done with the step one, the step two is for you to search for another bot right here. They call this one Manybot. Now this one will help you make your bot active, you understand? So this is the next one we need to use, or this is the next one we are going to be using right here. You can see they say create broadcast bot, send a post to subscribers, change the description of your bot, and this. So you can see cancel current operations. Right here there are a lot of options right here you can add to your bot to make it active. You can see they say change the description of your bot, send post, create a new broadcast. So I actually gave you the command right here. So what I'm going to do is for me to paste the keys I copied. I'm going to paste it right here. Congratulations, your bot is ready. Invite your audience to your bot using this link. Okay, so now they gave me a link that I can use to invite my audience. Connected our bot automatically. Now they say posting, new post. Now they gave us an option. Number one, create command. Number two, configure main menu. Just click on create command. Right, so let's see what will happen. Some examples: websites, price list. You can see these are the commands, the suggestions they give us. Now enter the command name. Please use only Latin letters, numbers, and this. So what I'm going to do right here, just for me to come down here and type a command. Let me just say latest. So let me just say latest. All right, so let me just say latest. They say bot can reply with one or more messages to a custom command. You can use text, pictures, videos, or any other file type. This. So add question. They say choose question type, simple question. User can reply with any text or file. Multiple choices. This. So simple question, you understand? So let me just click on simple question. Okay, so they say enter your question. So let me just click on let me just say do you want update? Okay, for example, let me say do you want updates? All right, don't worry, we are doing this one by one. So let me click on next. Now they say question successfully added. You can continue attaching messages and files to your command. So add question. So I'm going to add another question again. So let me click on multiple choice. Now enter your question. Do you need a side hustle? For example, enter a list of answers for your users. Every answer should be placed on a new line. Example, cheese, pepper. Okay, you can see that. So I'm going to give it, this one is multiple choices. So yes, I do. All right, this is number one. Yes, I do. Okay, number two, not really. So number three here, let me just put both. So let me click on next. Now they say question successfully added. You can continue attaching messages and files to your command. Add question. So let me just click on save, type in latest. You're going to see that it's going to respond well. You can see, remember what we typed: do you want update? Do you need a side hustle? Now the only thing is that I did not put something, the backup, you understand? So let me add a backup. For example, let me click on add messages to command. Send everything that you want to add as a reply to this command and press save. Remember, we are just trying out this stuff. So let me just add my photo, for example, and then I'm going to come over here and type on, okay, this is amazing, and let me just put on this is an update available for you. Okay, for you. All right, so that's it. So let me just come over here and paste a link. So let me just put like my Telegram channel link, for example. Remember, this is still an example, so I'm just going to click on enter. All right, so I just added this, and let me click on save. All right, they say custom command latest was successfully updated. Now let me go back and try this again from the other end. Guys, this is exactly what I was talking about. So now I started the bot again. Once you open the bot, so all what you have to do right is just for you to come over here and click on start, and the bot say congratulations, you subscribe. You can see right here, if you look at the bottom, you can see they say latest. Now latest is actually that command I created. So let me click on latest. Now you can see they say, do you want update? So I'm going to type in yes. Now they say, do you need a side hustle? Yes, I do. This is another custom reply. Let me click on yes, I do. Have you seen now that they brought up that particular custom image I put plus the Telegram link I put? So this is actually how you create a bot on Telegram. It's actually very simple. Now all what you have to do is just for you to go to BotFather and create your bot through BotFather, copy your token, take it to Manybot. Manybot is going to help you customize your bot, you understand? So many people are using external method to make their bot active, and that external method is just the most advanced part, and that is the part I'm going to be teaching in my next tutorial based on this particular series, how you can actually create an advanced bot. Now for example, this is actually a music bot right here. Okay, let me look for Omale songs. So let me just type in so Omale. So let me just type Omale right here. For example, I'm going to click on enter. You can see that it's going to give me every single song that is actually titled so written by Omale right here. You can see right here. So this is an advanced bot. This one is specifically meant for music. This is another one that you can monetize externally. For example, you can tell people, before you use my bot to stream music, for example, you pay me 1,000 naira every single month. You subscribe 1,000 every month for you to stream music with my bot. You understand? And that's how you can make money with this. Telegram has monetization options right here. This is just the part 1, and this is just the beginning. Remember, I'm still going to create another step-by-step tutorial how you can do the advanced part.